welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my special toast. This toast is so easy to make and it's so affordable. If you don't have a toasting machine, I'm going to use the second option. So I'm not going to use the toasting machine today. I'm going to use a pan, okay? So you guys are going to love this toast, okay? Just be ready. I know a lot of people do not try recipe. Like, you just save recipes on your phone and they don't get to try it out. Just save the recipe. Why is that? The ingredients are so simple and you can easily find them in the market, okay? Are you ready? Before we go, have you subscribed? Guys, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Let's go and make my toast. I want you guys to enjoy the process of how I made this. I'm going to leave the description of all the ingredients for you guys in the description box, okay? Okay.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
Done before coming to the camera. So guys, before turning on the camera, I've already eaten half of this bread already. Yeah. Guys, if you've never tried any of our recipe, let's try this. Try these toasts. This is good. This is good. Restaurant standard. That's the toast. If you've never tried any of my recipe, guys, let's try this recipe out. So good. This toast is so good and satisfying, plus it's so nutritious. I want to share with you guys the book I've been reading. So guys, lately I've been proud of myself lately. I don't know the reason why I've been proud. I'm going to tell you guys. So all up. So guys, I've been reading literature texts lately. Like, I've been reading books lately. I'm super proud of myself for me to start reading books. I would say I'm the ebook kind of reader. I love to read books on my phone, on my laptop, and that is not even a constant stuff. And for me to now start dedicating myself to reading books, guys, I'm super proud of myself right now. Like, I'm super proud. So guys, there's this book I've been reading and I thought to share with you guys before I go. So this is the book. So You Want to Be Like Christ by Charles R. Dwindle. Is it Dwindle or Swindle? Guys, this book, oh my god. I mean, this book is really, really loaded. I love the way the author actually relates everything, like every storyline perfectly. He didn't base it on, oh, the religious stuff. It makes it relatable for people who are reading this to be able to grasp what is in there. It relates it to what is happening in the world generally, okay? So I just started reading this book last night. Yeah, last night. And I started reading before going to bed. And I'm already on page 12. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm already on page 12. See, I had to put the pad so I'll be able to know where I stopped. There's this quote that really touched me. That's what it is, guys. This is the quote. So the quote is about, it is so easy to get religious instead of godly. Like a lot of people, like a lot of Christians nowadays are just religious. A lot of people are just practicing religion. We are practicing religion instead of being godly. That godly thing, that godliness part is missing. Godliness is not, no one promised that it's going to be an easy one. It's tough at times as Christians, but a lot of people want to be termed as being godly, but they don't want to work for it. So guys, in case you see this book, please grab it and read. And you can read it online as well. I don't know if it's online. You can just check it out. See, this book is the real deal. And guys, so before I go again, so I got a gift from someone close to me, and I don't know, I think I was saying it back a few weeks ago that I want to start reading books, not only Christian literatures, but books. And the person sent to me a package. I've not seen the book. I should know his book, but I don't know what's in there. I could feel it. It's books, but I don't know the title of the book that is there. So I just got the book. I think last week she gave it to me. So funny enough, I was telling her that I was start reading books, so literature books. And she now say, hey, this one is sealed up. I can't open it. Oh, okay. Read it. So, okay. Oh, this is it's a marriage something book. So guys, this is how the book came in. I love it. The first one is 30 Pitfalls Singles Should Avoid. So this is the book, guys. This is by Pastor Femi Emmanuel. Okay. And the second one I have here is Why Are Some People Poor? Practical Solutions. Still by the same author, Femi Emmanuel, guys. I love this cover. The cover is so slick. This is a financial development book. This is for singles, bachelors, spinsters, blah, blah, blah. Apart from Christian literatures, even African literatures like fictional works, literature parts that has been long I read. There's some book I've read in the past that has been long I read them, and I would love to bring them back just to read over and over, because of course after reading books for months or years, you still bring the book back, read it, it's going to remind you, oh, I've read this before, but you will still be reminded of some key points and some moral lessons and some everything. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's vlog, guys. In case you're not subscribed to me, please hit the subscribe button down below, please. I beg you guys, let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys. You and I can do it. So please, guys, hit the subscription button down below, give this video a thumbs up, share this video. So in the comment section, you guys, let me know, do you like reading novel, or are you the type that reads hardcover book, or you love to read ebooks? I would love to know in the comment section. So for my special toast, let me know if you'll be trying it out. I love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.